Hi everyone, we are final year students from SR University. We are here to represent our major project of Team 37. Our project title is Early Detection and Classification of Autistic Spectrum Disorder using Random Forest. Here are our teammates. Let's move to the abstract. Autism Spectrum Disorder is a condition that affects how people communicate, interact, and behave. It can range from mild to severe, with people on the spectrum having both challenges and strengths. So this disorder can have a big impact on individuals and families too. It's important to be aware of it and create accepting environments. There is no cure, but support can help people with this disorder live happy and fulfilling their lives. So here is the introduction. It refers to a condition where the person lacks of communication skills and interactions, resulting in isolations. So the term spectrum in autism spectrum disorder refers to the wide range of symptoms and severity. This disorder, previously known as pervasive development disorder, which is a long life condition that is characterized by impairments in communication, social interaction, and responsiveness. Moving on to the existing problems, there are difficulties in understanding and navigating social interactions. So these people with disorders struggles with nonverbal communications cues such as facial expressions and body languages. They are very limited interest in understanding of other emotions, and they suffer from hypersensitivity, which are actually exposed to the lights, sounds, and textures, and they are overwhelmed or distressed by sensory inputs, which leads to the behavioral changes, and they have very hard challenges in accessing appropriate health services too. Here are our requirements to do this project. We are using Visual Studio as platform, and these are the packages you can see we have used for our algorithms. Next, going to the problem statement. This project tackles early detection of autism spectrum disorder using machine learning. Current methods are slow and imprecise, so this aims to build a random forest model for faster, more objective diagnosis. By analyzing data like demographics, behavior, and medical history, the model will classify individuals as ASD, autism spectrum disorder, positive or negative. This could be a valuable tool for healthcare professionals, ultimately leading to better early intervention and support for people with this disorder. Here are the literature reviews we have found. These are the articles you can see. Moving on to the objective, uh, early detection, classification accuracy, reduced subjectivity, efficiency and speed, generalization and integrations. So these are the few objectives we have included in our random forest algorithm for this project. Moving on to the proposed plan, this project proposes an advanced approaches to identify and support individuals with this disorder. We aim to develop a system that analyzes a wider range of data, including behavior, physical rights, and genetics, alongside standardized assessments. This comprehensive approach will create a clearer picture of autistic spectrum disorder, allowing for more accurate and timely diagnosis. Following identification, customized intervention programs with various therapies will be offered. This combined effort will lead to better support for individuals with this disorder. Ultimately, they will be improving their overall well-being. Proposed system versus existing system. So in the existing system, there is a difficulty in social interactions. Like they used to struggle and understand those people, and there are sensory sensitivities, which individuals will be experienced with hypersensitivity. Uh, their stimuli will be difficult to be understand, and there is limited awareness and access to healthcare services, as there is a less chance in the healthcare services for these disorders. And coming on to the proposed methodology, so advanced technology for identifications. So as we can see, the technology is moving forward. So There are better algorithms which we can move on with this one. And there is a comprehensive data analysis from the data we have collected and tailored early intervention. Once it is identified, we'd offer early intervention programs customized to each person needs based on their questions and including various therapies and implementation from the data collected Kaggle website and pre-process. These are the methods as you can see, and training the model in multiple algorithms such as logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest. So these gave us 100%. So we have taken any of this, like we used random forest for this, and we have compared with the evaluation metrics with the different algorithms uh, to know which gives us the highest performance. And we found the random forest algorithm. And finally, we build HTML pages and Python code which needs to run on the web application. The flowcharts give you a rough idea of how project is being uh, took in action with the steps from the project initiation, collection, and data pre-processing, all those to the complete deployment of our projects. You can see the entire flowchart. Moving on to the advantages and disadvantages. First, we go through the advantages. Usually, the people are very intelligent, like they are gifted and they are hard workers. When we given a task, if they are interested, they'll be really excel in identifying the patterns, and their memory recalling will be really superb. And their maths and physics knowledge will be really good. They can be easy to understand complex problems as well, and they'll be very detailed uh, solutions. And moving on to the disadvantages, they are very poor in understanding the human emotions. They are stuck on the repetitive schedules, like they keep on doing the same thing, and they cannot understand the abstract concepts. They are mostly socially awkward and rejected by others, and of course, they are bullied by the other people too. Applications of use. Uh, these applications can be used at few areas, as you can see. Specialized education services, so it will be helpful for them, and community support services and research advancements. So these can be used there, and it will be able to improve for the next upcoming generations to study more in detail about this disorder. You can see the results, so we will show you the implementations. Moving on to the conclusion, early detection of this autism spectrum disorder is vital for providing crucial intervention and support to individuals and families. While screening may not be perfect, but the benefits of early identification are undeniable. It allows for targeted programs, specialized education, and community support, creating a more inclusive environment. Ongoing research paves the way for better treatments and policies. As we strive for accurate and accessible screening, the focus remains on the well-being and development of individuals with this disorder, ASD, building a society that celebrates diversity and supports everyone. Unique needs need to be included in this, so we can help those people. Moving on to the next future scope, the future of this disorder detection is bright. Advanced technologies like VR assessments and brain imaging could improve diagnosis accuracy. Genetic research might lead to personalized treatments. Culturally sensitive screening tools and collaboration between healthcare professionals hold promise for wider access and better support systems. By embracing these advancements, we can create a more supportive world for the people with this disorder and their families, so they don't feel different, and we can generalize this disorder. So that's it. Thank you. Let's see the execution of our project. So these are our HTML files. You can go through the code. We'll share. So detected HTML, final index, and predict HTML. These are our pages we have designed for our project. And finally, we go through the Python file. You can see the libraries, which is majorly of Flask, and go through the code. Yeah, let's run this project now. Our result give that autism is detected. It means that the person suffering from this have been detected. It was positive. And if you want to know more, you can click on the button more info. So it will be redirected to the pages where you can find more information about it. Yeah, that's it. It's simple as that. You can consult a doctor if it's positive. Else, uh, you can go through the normal process. Thank you.